So today I want to make this really cute Christmas decoration. Really sweet. So I saw a little video for this and I thought I've got to have a go with that because that is the most adorable Christmas decoration ever. And it's actually super easy to make. Now for this I have actually used the Trimits Glitter Felt Sheets from DRK Crafts. However, I've had a look on their website and I can't see that they're still available. So you could either get this exact same brand on, I have found them on Amazon, I'll put that link below, or you can have a look on DRK Crafts and they do have normal felt sheets, so you could make them out of normal felt sheets, do different colours and whatever. I'm sure you could glitter them up yourself if you wanted to, or you could just use normal card if you want to. But yeah, I quite like the felt because it's got a bit of sturdiness to it. But this is quite a sturdy bauble, I have to say. It's quite, I can kind of do this and it's not really squidging. It's quite a sturdy bauble, but obviously with the felt you just get a different kind of dynamic to it than you would with card. But I'm sure you could use card if you wanted to. So yeah, so let's get into it. Okay, so for this project you're going to need 5 squares of 2 colours, so in total 10 squares. And these are all 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches. So what we're going to do now is going to go ahead and cut all of them in half diagonally. So you should end up with a whole heap of triangles. So now what you want to do is you're going to take one of your triangles, turn it over so it's on the wrong side, and then we're going to put glue along, so you've got like a long edge and then 2 short edges. So you're going to put glue along one of the short edges. Any glue that you have that splurges out, you can either wipe it off on a piece of scrap card straight away, or you can wait till it cools down and then you can just kind of trim it off. But that is what you're looking for. Okay, so you're looking for that like that. So we're going to make all of these exactly the same. So you should end up with a whole heap of triangles. So then you want to take your triangle and the edge that you've just glued, you're going to run a line of glue down that edge. So this is like your raw edge. Then you're going to take another triangle of a different colour. Make sure that they are both the same way up. So make sure that where your open edges, they're both at the same place, and your cut edges are literally like one on top of the other. And you're going to stick them down like that. So you've got folded edge, open edge, and this is your glued edge. And then you're just going to continue doing that all the way. And what you want to do really is do 2 halves. It makes it a bit easier. So if you do half of your gold and half of your silver, and then do the other half, and then you can stick them all together. So I'm just going to do half of these. Okay, so I've got there 10 triangles alternating silver, gold, silver, gold, silver, gold all the way along. So that's 10 done, and then I should have 10 left. So I'm going to repeat the same process again. Just make sure when you start, so obviously I've finished with the silver here, so I need to start with the gold on this one. So we're going to do the same again. I started with the gold the first time around, and start with the gold again. And we're going to lay them up again. Keep going until you've finished all your triangles. So you should end up with 2 little banks of triangles, as it were, 2 little wads of triangles. So then if you take one of them, make sure that obviously you've got all the right edges. So all the folded edges are the same way up and the other edges are the same way up. And then you're going to take this one, you're going to run a little bit of glue along here, like this. And then you're going to stick this one on top. Just make sure you get it lined up nicely. So you're going to stick it on top. Press it down, make sure it sticks, and then when you're sure that that's kind of dried, you can kind of just make sure it is definitely like cooled and set before you move on, otherwise it will pull apart. And then what you want to do is just gently kind of coax them, and you want to put a line of glue along here, and then you're just going to bring them around and then match up these two. Make sure you try and match up the cut edges together. and you're going to try and stick those together like that. Obviously at the moment I'm just kind of, it's a bit out of shape, but you can tweak that in a moment. I'm just trying to get it so that we can stick that bit together. Once it's stuck together, you can kind of swizzle it out a bit so it's a bit more even. If you've got any gaps or anything kind of unpeeling itself, now is the time to kind of sort it out. Just give it a little bit of a zhuzh like that. So you've got a relatively even bauble. So then what you're going to do is you then want to take 2 pieces of glitter felt, and these measure 1 inch by about 4 inches. Now, depending on what you're using, you might not need 4 inches. You might need less or you might need more. It really depends on the thickness of your fabric or whatever it is, your card or whatever it is you're using, as to what you need for this. So what we're going to do is we need to grab ourselves a piece of thread. So I'm using this glitter braiding cord, and this was from the Works, and it's actually got a bit of elastic in it. So I'm going to be using this, and I'm just going to cut off, like, I don't know, just, you know, whatever you think looks right. So that, I reckon that loops about right. Okay, so you're going to cut that off, and then you're going to take one of your pieces, and you're going to do a line of glue just along that edge there, and then take your braiding cord, lay it on. You have to work quickly. This is in your problem, it's quite fiddly, you have to work quickly. So lay it on like that, get it in, get it stuck in the glue, and then I'm just going to go over that again just because I'm concerned that's dry, that's already gone cold. And then we're going to roll it up as tightly as you possibly can. You're going to roll it up, so you only need glue on that first edge to start with, and then you're going to roll this up as neatly as you can, as evenly as you can. Apologies if you can't really see it, it's quite difficult to do it nice and tight to the desk. And then you should end up rolled edge like this. Now before you glue that edge, just make sure that does fit. Now mine does fit, so that's good. So 4 inches is good for the glitter felt. So once you know that's going to fit in that hole there, you then want to go ahead, add some glue along that edge, and just press and stick and hold down. And then you're going to take your glitter decoration and you're just going to put some glue just on the inside edge inside the decoration, and you're going to twizzle this in, just get it in, and just get it down about kind of halfway, about like there. So you've got a section sticking out. I've probably got about, what, ½ inch. So there's ½ inch inside and there's ½ inch on the outside. And then you want to do the same with this one. So with this one, obviously you're not going to add the thread, you're just going to put a line of glue and then just roll it up like you just did. Just be careful you don't burn yourself, because obviously it is hot glue. I'm just going to roll it up again as tight as you can. So once you get to this bit here, again, I'm just going to make sure that's definitely going to fit in there, and it will if I squeeze it, so that's good. And then I'm going to run a bit of hot glue along that edge. Again, just make sure that's definitely stuck down. Then you're going to grab your decoration, and on the bottom of it, you're going to do the same as you did with the top. Put some glue in, and then just stick your little rolled up edge inside. Twizzle it around a little bit, so again you've got about ½ inch. And what I would do is I would make sure that both of your seams are at the same place. Okay, so there you go, and there you have your little glittered bauble. And as you can see, this one's a lot more even. For some reason this one didn't end up quite as even, but you should be able to just kind of, you know, fidget with it and get it so that it's a bit more even. But yeah, so there you go, there's your little glitter bauble. So I quite like the way they turn out. They're really nice, you know, and again they're not heavy for the tree. They're quite sweet. You can, you know, give them a good old twizzle. They're quite sweet. So yeah, so there you go. So I hope you liked today's video. Please make sure you like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, and we'll see you again next time. Bye.